Well, that's right. We are cooking gourmet 2-minute noodles today that could probably feed you for up to a week. However, this video is a bit of a shit stir. We had a couple beers and tried to cook this for the first time in the bush. So if you want to know how to really make this, check out the description below. And if you want to have a laugh, keep watching the video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Now, a question for you, Jack. Are you having a beer?
Yes.
I was waiting for it. I wasn't sure what's going on there.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, welcome to our first budget camp cooking episode from the same location as our last episode. Nobody would have known if I didn't say that.
No.
What we're doing is one of my favourite things to do while travelling.
What we're doing is
2-minute noodles. So we've got a 5-pack here for $2. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn them into a bit of gourmet, some gourmet noodles. We've got sesame seeds, we've got Hoisin Sauce, we've got a bit of soy sauce, and we've got some oyster sauce, some spring onions, onion, and tie it all together, extra lean.
beef mince.
That's it. So let's get this shit going.
Oh, look, it's a tiger moth.
Oh.
Come here. Well, there you go. There's our first wildlife of the day, tiger moth. Beautiful, beautiful tiger moth. Do you put oil in the pan?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there too. Bit of oil with the beef mince. Let it caramelize up, you know, soak it in there. And then you add in a whole onion. Oh, I forgot to get some salt and pepper.
It's gonna be yucky. Now, I always cut my onions in half like this and then slice it up and it doesn't make you cry. No tears, will be wet.
Oh, I felt a little bit of tears going in.
Oh, well, suck it up. I love cutting up onion. I think it's probably my favourite thing to ever cut up. But as a kid, I used to always wear goggles cutting up onion. This knife is so blunt, just a heads up.
That's because that's the blunt knife.
Oh,
yeah.
well, it's terrible. But you know what?
What?
Whenever I cook, I always cook onion first before
Yeah, so do I, but I'm just following the TikTok, all right? While you're doing that, I might as well try and get some equal parts sauce going on here.
No, I'm doing that.
Well, you're taking your sweet ass time. Okay. So whole onion, straight in. Straight in there. Look at that. Oh, squirting all over the joint.
Okay, equal parts sauce. Okay, equal parts, 1/4 cup of everything.
All right, you get them, girl.
I feel like that's a lot. But you know what? It's all about trying it. And, like, we're going for it.
Come
I feel
on.
rushed.
No time like the present. You've only got 30 minutes left, chefs! 30 minutes!
Yes, chef.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Oyster sauce, equal parts.
Got to get it thick and sticky with the sauce. Once it's thick and sticky, you let that cook through a little bit. Then we can add some water into here, add our noodles, and then you essentially steam the noodles. So we don't have a lid for this pan, but we'll use some foil, which I happened to prepare earlier. Wow.
And then you know who's gonna finish that?
Who?
You.
Oh, I got to keep going as well. I think that's pretty good. Oh, oi, have a lick. That's really good.
scared.
Have a lick.
That's good,
fucking,
chef.
that's mint. I think we might need more, but let's see how we go. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need more. I reckon we need a
Like that again?
double, maybe even a little bit more than
Nah,
that.
mix it around, mate.
Now, that smells
amazing.
That smells terrific,
Yeah.
if you ask me.
But when you cook the chili, flavour can come out a little bit more there.
That's it. So, once this is stirred in, we'll get about 1.5 cups of water in there and get our 2-minute noodles in there as well.
And is this just a garnish?
That is to garnish with the sesame seeds, yes. We just lost memory in 4K, so we're on 1080p now, sorry for the downgrade. So, this is looking pretty good. They're getting a little bit soggy. I might turn that down and give them a stir.
Oh, they're getting soggy. Top it with roasted sesame seeds, Jack. Oh my God, look.
But there you have it. That's the The gourmet 2-minute noodle right there.
I'm gonna have a go. Ciao.
Ciao.